Cityden BoLo District is a contemporary apartment hotel located in the vibrant Bos en Lommer neighborhood of Amsterdam, Netherlands. This area is known for its diverse cultural mix, bustling markets, and green spaces like the Bos en Lommerplantsoen park. The hotel likely offers modern amenities and comfortable accommodations, providing guests with a convenient base to explore the city while experiencing the local atmosphere of Bos en Lommer. If you're planning a trip there, be sure to check out nearby attractions such as the Erasmuspark, Westergasfabriek Cultural Complex, and the lively food scene in the area. As of my last update in January 2022, Cityden BoLo District in Bos en Lommerplantsoen, Amsterdam, is a relatively new addition to the hospitality scene in Amsterdam. It caters to travelers seeking a more local and immersive experience in the city. Here's a brief overview of what the area and the hotel may offer. Friends, I am Khairul Islam Badal. I am recharge on Google Art Studio and 4K high-resolution video. Please subscribe my channel, and if you like then subscribe. You can see new videos like this every day.